The next method we have is Newton forward interpolation process. The question says the table below gives the distance in nautical miles of the visible horizon for the given height in feet above the Earth's surface. The height is given in x as you can see in the table, and the distance from the Earth to the horizon is given in y as you can see in the table. Now the question asks us to find the value of y when x is equal to 208. We can see in the table that we don't have a corresponding value of x is equal to 28 for y. So we are going to generate a formula using the Newton forward interpolation process to calculate the value of y when x is equal to 14. Now, as we know that the difference between each value of x is 50, so we denote it as h is equal to 50. And we have a formula for calculating p, which is x, that is the value that we have to find, minus the most recent previous value, that is 200, divided by h, which is the difference between each value, that is 50. We came up with a value of p which is 0.36. Now, this is the formula for generating equation for y. As you can see, I have generated this equation only up to 5th term. This is because when doing Newton forward interpolation process, we go down the slope. As you can see from y naught, I have got only 4 more values till delta 4 y naught. So I am going to generate the formula only till delta is equal to delta 4 y naught. Now only I have to plug in the values into the formula, and I came up with the answer for y is equal to x is equal to 18, y is equal to 15.7228 nautical miles. Now I can check this back into the table. I know for x is equal to 218 lies between 250 and 200. So the value of y should be between 15.04 and 16.81. From here I can see my value is 15.7, which lies between these two values. So I can easily say that my answer is correct.